There's a lot that goes into making the products we use every single day. Have you ever considered a career in manufacturing? Well, then consider CLTCC, where they make you make good stuff.
We teach people the skills required to work on, calibrate, program the equipment that does what is required. We offer programs in instrument electrical, machining, millwright, welding.
I love this program so far. You should consider CLTCC, the manufacturing program, if you like how things work and want to get out there and figure out how to do it yourself.
You can come here and you can pick your exit point from technical diploma up to an associate's degree.
Interested in a career in manufacturing? Well, then visit CLTCCmanufacturing.com to learn more, or better yet, meet with an advisor today.